Hi, it's me again with Corel Roll Tips and Tricks, and I just was playing around tonight with some over-under interlocking lines and quite possibly found the easiest way to do it. Just take a rectangle, doesn't really matter what size you start with, but make it like 1 inch by 0.25 with your ratio on lock so it's still 1 inch. And then we're going to set our nudge factor on 1 inch. But we're going to Control D and make a duplicate first and rotate that guy 90 degrees. Okay, let's put it where it's not in the edge of the page. And now what we need to do is Control D and make a duplicate and nudge it over, but now I want to rotate it 90 degrees. So we have, well, I haven't done anything yet, so it doesn't really matter. But we're going to take the virtual segment delete key and we're going to delete this line this way and this line this way. So now we have a under over on that section. Let's Control D again and then nudge it twice. And all you have to do is take away that line. Grab it again, the whole thing, Control D and just nudge it again. If you forget where you nudge, you can't go too far because you can always go back. This is so easy, and you could go any dimension. So now I've got an over, under pattern already going. Let me move my test one out of the way. Same thing. Grab the whole thing, Control D and make a duplicate and move it down. Now is what we need to do is mirror it the other way. So this is the opposite. Now take your virtual segment delete key and delete these lines. By changing it, now it's just the opposite, where this is the long line going underneath and over there. Now once we've done that, you don't have to do anything else but Control D and move it down twice. You know, instead of changing your nudge factor to 2 inches, just keep it on 1 and just remember you need to nudge it again. And you're done. If you want to add some color to it, just grab your Smart Fill tool and make all the side ones yellow. And just, you know, don't do the little spots between the ones that are open. And then grab your, let's make it red this time, kind of stand out, and do the other ones in red. And you can kind of see the pattern already forming with long and short variables. And you could do this in any order. I'm just, but in that quick a time, and then you could always leave the line or take the line away by right-clicking. Now you have a woven basket weed, and you could have them closer together. And this was so quick, I might even work on it tomorrow and how to get some shading in these spots. I hope that helped. Thank you for watching.